Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is November 3rd, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be November 4th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, give you some of the levels that we're looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at what we're going to look at on S&P first. So for S&P 500, you can see we climbed all the way up into these 46, 60, 25s. That's where we found that resistance. I do think at one point S&P will climb into our main level here at about 4,700. So we'll see if we can get it all the way up there. But as of right now, I am anticipating maybe a little bit of a pullback. These 46, 49, 25s is where I'm looking for the first area of a pullback. I want to see if we can hold the higher low here and then continue the bull run. If not, we're going to gradually look for this to pull back here, maybe somewhere around these 25s, and then below that I do got a level of 46, 20, 25 as the next level of support. Then down below you can see a very main level right around these 1250 to about 13s, where we had a nice double bottom that happened here right off this area, and then we popped up, and then again you can see right around these 20 to 19 and 20s, another double bottom, and then a push higher. So again, our first area of interest is how we react to those 46, 49, 25s as support. If we do and we don't break that, look for the continuation to try to retest these 46, 60, 25s and then push through that. So again, I'm probably not going to be looking for too much shorts, but if we do get underneath these 49s, maybe a nice pullback into these 50 and 51s. If we fail to go back up from there, making a lower high, then we could see this try to pull back down. So we'll look out for that for a short opportunity, or look out for 46, 60, 25. Maybe you get a nice double top and then a push lower. So we'll see if we get those opportunities there. Moving over into gold, let's take a look at what we've had so far on gold. So gold did have a nice continued bearish move here, and you can see we held resistance 1770.1 was a main area of resistance. We want to see this push down. I did want to see if we would come all the way into these 1756.7s, but we didn't get all the way into that area, and then we started to make higher lows from there, pushing up into our next areas of resistance. So right now we're a little bit above these 76.4s with the next resistance 1780.4. So we'll see if we climb into that level. If we reject off this area here, not going through, then you could look for a short opportunity from that area. But we'll see if we get that opportunity as we come into the London session. For those who want to be bullish, I am looking for more of a pullback here into the 1770.1s for a bullish trade, or a long by the dip opportunity from there. So we'll see if we get it back down to those 1770.1s. If not, I'm probably going to be waiting for more of a major level down here, 1756.7. But there could be an in-between level you look out for, which happened to be somewhere around these 64.5s. So look out for that level as well. That could be an area of interest to buy, or to look for some support to buy off of. So we'll keep an eye out for that. But as of right now, my long opportunity is going to come in here at 1770.1, and then my resistance 1780.4 for a short opportunity. So we'll see what happens. There could be an opportunity here also, just to touch on it before we go over to crude oil, is we fall back underneath these 76.4s, and then we reject it nicely, and then we get a nice double top head and shoulder move for a push lower. So that could be a trading opportunity as well for the short side if you want that. Moving over into crude oil, let's take a look at what we got on crude oil. So with crude oil, we did have a lot of downward movement. Went past a lot of our supports, hit off of our close to our 79.65s. Want to see if we retest this area and then bounce for some support. But again, we keep touching these micro areas right here, right off these 80.40s. So we'll see. I do want to see it rotate back into this support, maybe get a nice long opportunity from there. If not, our first area of interest for a continued short is going to be sitting right around these 80.40s. If not, look for this to gradually climb into those 80.84s, and then above that 81.39. Supports down below, you're going to underneath these 79.65 is going to be 79.21, 78.89, and then 78.56 as the next levels of support. But as of right now, strongly bearish, so you want to maybe continue that trend downward. If you do get the support to come in here off these 79.65s, you can look for a fade if we don't get through that level. That could be your opportunity. But other than that, that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go and subscribe. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Now, if you are struggling to find consistency and success in your trading, feel free to become a member with us at Pure Structure Trading. Maybe take a coaching program, a coaching course with us. We'll love to help you guys out, find consistency and success in your trading journey. Other than that, if you continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care.